will share a secret how you can find out if that is causing your noise or engine whine. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a car. It could be almost any car, and if you guys want to know what an idler pulley noise sounds like, idler pulley whine, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain how to diagnose it as well. So we'll show you first before what it sounds, how to diagnose it, how to fix it as well. All that will be guys covered in this video today. Make sure to stay till the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We're constantly getting new cars, we're constantly working on something. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you need to buy any parts, tools for your car, Mercedes, any model guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools, supplies from, and you can guys save a fortune. So first, let's go ahead guys. We're going to go ahead, start the car with everything still installed in it. We're going to hear the noise and then we'll continue with the next step. So let us show you guys what that noise whine sounds like. We're going to start the car and we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay, and okay, first open it. Perfect. Let's go ahead, start the Mercedes now. Okay, and you can hear that whining. It's kind of like a dental machine. Okay, let's give it gas. And you want to know where it's coming from, let's go ahead guys, we'll start. It looks like it's coming from up here. You may be confused that it's timing chain component or variable timing gear, but it's not. So let's continue now. So you heard the noise, right? Okay, that whine guys, it sounds like a dental, you know, that machine that fixes your teeth. Okay, that revving up machine, it's terrible. We're going to go ahead now. And we're going to go ahead and start it now, and you'll hear that noise is gone. We'll explain what we did, okay? So make sure to stand till the end. Check out the noise, practically gone, right? Okay, now let's explain what we did here guys. Okay, we removed the serpentine belt. Now on many Mercedes vehicles that belt could be extremely long. Check this thing out. It could be driving so many accessories. It could drive accessories such as power steering, AC compressor, you have tensioner pulley, crankshaft pulley, water pump. You're going to have alternator and 2 idler pulleys. All these accessories are going to put tension on the belt guys. And when you have a weak idler pulley, that pulley will become noisy. The funny thing is that we removed that pulley guys, that's the one that was causing the noise, and when we spin it by hand, it doesn't feel anything bad. Doesn't have almost zero play. Okay, just very minimum play, but it feels nice, smooth, quiet. But when you put tension on that pulley, that's when it becomes noisy. Now, by removing the belt guys and starting the engine, you can find out if that's causing the problem, to make sure that it's not something mechanical up there. Another thing guys, let's talk about that now. Do not start it for more than 10-15 seconds. Water pump is driven by the belt, so your engine will not circulate coolant and you can overheat it. Always open your garage door as well. By removing the belt, okay, and start it, if it's quiet, the problem is somewhere here. How you find out if it's the pulley? We have a special video that explains, okay, about power steering noise on Mercedes and how to find out if the power steering is making the noise. Check out the video guys, it will be on our channel. Always disconnect the car battery, because the radiator fan is here, it can turn on and cut your hands guys, okay, your fingers off. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect. You wonder why? Because you can burn engine computer modules, computers, and we did that mistake on Mercedes C-Class actually guys, and we burned the airbag module. So we have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first and which battery terminal to reconnect first. Check out the video, will teach you all about that. Then you can get here, then you inspect, okay, the AC compressor guys. Make sure the pulley is turning nice and smooth, there is no grinding noises, no cutting, no movement. Also inspect to make sure that the water pump doesn't have any play in it as well. That's a water pump. Then it doesn't feel funny when you turn it. And alternator too, because alternator, if it's failing, that alternator, okay, can be, guys, okay, can be noisy as well. Usually alternator bearing, if it goes out, it can become really noisy, but by turning it by hand you'll be able to hear a little bit of noise. Now most of the times it will be idler pulleys. It could be even the tensioner pulley, because it's the same kind of pulley with a bearing, and it's always recommend when you replace idler pulley to replace tensioner pulley and belt as well, serpentine belt. This one was about to fail at 65,000 miles. We have a special video that explains how often to replace serpentine belt on Mercedes. Check out, complete video will be on our channel, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.